Welcome. In front of me is a FreeYond M6, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you're looking for the hotspot toggle, which might not be visible in the first page, so you want to swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, which I'm not seeing on either one. So it looks like it's not added by default. So we're going to click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and there we go. There's our hotspot. Once you see the toggle, you want to hold it in here. You'll see that the text right here changes to drag here to remove. So we're going to drag it above this text, drop it, and when you go back, you should now have it added on one of the pages. For me, it is on the second page. Now, you could just turn it on right now by tapping on it, but you don't know what the password is set to. So you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, and under hotspot password, you can view the randomly generated password. I do recommend getting rid of it and setting up your own, as you can see, it's randomly generated and not a very fun password to type in if you want to connect to it. Now, your new password will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Once that's changed, just make sure that you press on OK, and it gets automatically saved. There's additional option which I recommend keeping on, which is the turn off hotspot automatically. This makes it so when you're done using it, after like 10 minutes, it's going to automatically turn it off, and hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're not using it, you're done using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. And this just kind of makes it so if you forget about it, it gets automatically turned off. Now from here, we're gonna find the toggle. Before I tap on it, I'm gonna quickly mention I am connected, or my Wi-Fi right now is enabled, maybe not connected. So let's see, if I turn it on, something tells me it's going to turn it off. Apparently not. So there we go. All you need to do is just tap on the hotspot, it gets enabled, and now you can connect to your hotspot. Once you're done with it, you can also manually turn it off before the timer runs out by tapping on it once again. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.